Kedam Tamaruni Pine Korapli, Bhom Kuruar Nilomir Jain College Principal Dr. Bibison Rongpi, Innovative Principal of the Year Anong Bangalore Ahavaralong Kedo, Prakin and Switches by Radisson Padimalong Pipa Jirpon. Alang lilabang so kedam tang surihini ra ingkoy raponinkan Padmasri Anong Kelong abang pit Dr. Vijayalakshmi Desmani Arideng Pensi Pajirpon. Kedam tangaru ingkoy raplier ni Bangalore Harvard Prakin and Switches by Radisson Padimalong ke Padopon Global Education Brilliance Award 2026 paman ponlo. Pang Sahud Longmir Jain College Principal Dr. Bibison Rongpi apan Innovative Principal of the Year Anong Pipa Jirpon. Pinpur me Dr. Bibison Rongpi Inut College along Principal amithang asai cheklem pami anparata tok lang amo anat prek je kasai ke klem pon theka bang phu la so joksi Dr. Rongpi sang ho phan lapuson anong chepalong pon jesemet tok lang amo anke ki jalin pon thek la pen ki duk det lo charli oso mar chuma phan lo ke than RDP pen ke paprang pon theka sai ke klem pon abang phu Dr. Bibison Rongpi alang lila bang sonong pen ampara Best Young Principal of the Year 2023 la pen honoris causa doctorate degree ta chepalong pon abang phulo alang like choki hola wife Rongpi arong along ke do Kalitang Chandra Singh Rongpi pen kavirong parpia sopo ki bilo alang li choki hola English School pencil lo Charlie pangcheng ponlo UKG pen kepang dengan Assumption High School choki hola along Charlie lo bang sopi krihini ang deng la pen BSc degree ang deng an Tejpur Darang College along pensi chepaun dunlo master degree ang deng Assam University difu campus pensi chepaun ponlo Ladet pen api difu B.Ed College pen B.Ed chepaun ponlo. Dr. Bibison Rongpi kidam tang surihini ra kretroksi aningkan Assam University difu campus along Assam University difu campus Student Union along Kongchun Bangarputa claim lang. Alang di difu ST Mary's High School along ningkan isian than bangsai claim dunlo. La sopi difu along kido DST Junior College along ningkan hinian principal arpusitame claim lo. Bang so pikidam tang surihini ra ingkoy rai sianing kan pen pini arni an Longmir Jain College along principal arpu claim bomlo alang litok lang amo anat RD ki pi ponajok ke pangdeng lo charli osum marachuma phan pining pen an ke ningkan crazy hini dokai anake joy pen lo than pondo CUET asat lang phan ningkan hini ke thom lo ke joy pen ke than la pen GNM nursing asat lang phan ningkan hini anake joy pen lo ke than pon abang phulo Dr. Bibison Rongpi.
Good morning to one and all present here. Respected all the dignitaries, awardees, organizers, and everyone present here. Myself, Dr. Bibison Rongpi, the principal of Longpi College, the college that is located in Tentagat, that is located in the beautiful hill district of Kelong, within the state of Assam. Well, it's for the first time to be here in Bangalore. And I'm sure because of this award ceremony. Thanks to the organizer for having me here. And I'm extremely delighted to be part of this event. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Lasila pusonano Kelong pona bangke karbiang long apan lapen karbia kha apan sitame ke thedung no me si kewan pilo. News report KTV News.